Based in Kirkwood, New York, Trinic designs and manufactures materials. Specifically, the company specializes in glass fiber reinforced and ultra-high performance concretes. They enable some incredible concrete structures, everything from wall cladding and concrete countertops to furniture. What initially drew me to the company was a simple video of a group of guys making a warped concrete chair. They made the interesting postmodern piece by doing little more than laying a slab of glass fiber reinforced concrete over a simple wooden form. The concrete is self-leveling and self-compacting, so they poured it, leveled it, and after it settled for 15 to 20 minutes, they laid it over the form. And after just 2 hours, they were able to pull it off. I mean, though, you might want to give it a bit longer. I recently spoke with Mark Celebuski, a partner at Trinic, who enlightened me to an entire world of concrete forms that I never knew existed, like specialty carving concrete that can be used to create faux rocks and boulders, decorative wall cladding, and even fake concrete wood. The company makes the materials at a blending plant in Binghamton, New York, which is about 15 minutes away from the company's headquarters. Trinic has an expanding base of clients that use its materials to create forms in more than 40 countries around the world. The company has about 2,000 clients in the concrete countertops and furniture space, and another 30 that do wall cladding just in the US. Now, what makes these materials unique is that these blends can create thin structures that are only 1/2 or 3/4 inch thick, but have strengths from 10,000 to 20,000 PSI. Celebuski says that means you can give it about 5 good swings with a hammer or maul before, let's say, an 8x4 foot 1 inch thick mantle starts to give. To get the word out, before the COVID pandemic shut down gatherings, Trinic would offer free classes and training. Each class would have a different theme. For example, how to make concrete furniture. The classes would provide hands-on experience, and one lucky attendee would take home a one-of-a-kind piece of furniture. I mean, I suppose if they brought a truck or like straps and had like a strong constitution. About 8 years ago, Celebuski started holding free classes around the United States. He had about 20 students per class with skill levels that ranged from industry pros to garage hobbyists. He just wanted to get the word out on the technology. He told me that when he first started in the business, everything was a big secret. He figured, let's train our customers and show people how to make 20,000 PSI concretes. He says we were material makers, so why not teach them how to use our materials? While concrete countertops and furniture is a decent market, Celebuski says that the emerging industry in the US is concrete cladding. Right now, companies are shipping cladding in from Europe, a practice that he calls, quote, inexcusable. He says it should and will be here in the United States. But next, Trinic is working with a 3D printing company on an ultra high performance concrete mix that can be 3D printed. While we've seen various 3D printed concrete structures in the past, Celebuski says that no hurricane would ever bring down these potential 3D printed homes, attaining a similar strength but without a steel structure. While his classes remain shut down, Celebuski still holds out hope to restart some form of classes this fall. It's necessary because, as he says, we invent things, but people need to touch it to understand it. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.